I will leave a parts list in the description. I'm replacing this with a plastic fender with a skirt inside. I'm using this to mirror the bolt pattern on the inside. It has a small indentation that will be pushed against the fender, and it'll tell me exactly where the fender hole needs to be. I had to add 2 more screws to the top to reinforce it so it wasn't so flimsy. This is what I'm reinforcing it with. It's a standoff, a plastic standoff. You see, there's a view of it from the top. This is another view of it, bolted. My primary reason of choosing the plastic is because I go to the beach. It's the least maintenance that I'm going to have to deal with.